Hi everyone, welcome back to the Get a Brew channel. Today I'm really excited to show you what is the smallest fully automatic canning machine on the market, and it is beautiful. Not only the nice beautiful lights, it's made out of really nice sleek stainless steel, high quality European. Just like I'm really taken aback at how good this machine is straight out of the box. Really simple, literally pulled it out and slotted the little drip tray into place. There's two little additions to it here. So this one's for a 440ml can, and this one is for a 330ml can. So you can see they move really easy on the turntable there, slot really nicely in there, and it's all machined out of really nice, good quality material. So look, you can check this out. It's a brand new product. We're going to be distributing them throughout the UK and Ireland for IKAN. IKAN is based in the Czech Republic. They trade as Pivo to go as well as IKAN and Czech Republic premium quality. I'm really impressed with this, and it is a premium price point. It's designed for brew pubs, bars, restaurants, commercial premises, as much as the top end home brewer that just wants something that's pretty and works straight out of the box, and you just push the button and it goes. So like, I filled a can just directly out of the pigtail in one of the fermenters behind me, popping the lid on top really simply, and just slotted into place there, so sitting nicely on top of that. The way the IKAN machine works is there's two buttons on either side. You push them both at the exact same time, and then just step away and let the machine do the work. And there you go, you have one can seamed absolutely perfectly. And you can see I capped that on a bit of foam. It's obviously just let the foam run down the outside of it. The three that we've run earlier, first three cans straight out of the box. The quality of the seam in this is, you know, amazing. Like, we have a commercial canning line ourselves, and we've experience in working in canning. There's a lot of little nuances with canning that you perhaps wouldn't be aware of until you start running them at a high speed. And like, this is incredible. Literally push the buttons, seams perfectly, and makes you a premium quality canned beverage. Picture this, walking into your local brew pub. They've got a brand new special on draft, and you want to take a couple of beers home with you, or you want a train beer to take home with you. You go up to the bar and you say, can I get 2 cans of that to take away? The barman pours it, caps it, seals it, hands it to you, nice and cold, still get the condensation on the outside of it, and you take it home and drink it fresh that evening. I think it's a great idea, great piece, and an extension to the marketplace for that brew pub restaurant setting, and also for that professional home brewer that wants to take packaging to a whole new level. IKAN product and full info is on the Get a Brewed websites now, on the .com and the .ie. It's priced for that professional brew pub setup, that it's reliable and consistently seaming the cans perfectly time and time again, and it's designed to work straight out of the box. And if you want to change from 330ml to 440ml and push a button, it's that simple. You're paying for the ease, you're paying for the quality, and it's just a beautiful machine. Check it out, let us know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. We'd really appreciate it if you'd give us a subscribe and hit the little bell when you know when we release new videos. And until next time, cheers and happy brewing. So good.
Like it,
I do like it actually, it's bloody good.